Welcome to this week's edition of Endocrinology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, an advanced AI tool developed by Western Sydney University, is reshaping type 1 diabetes diagnosis. By analyzing microRNA biomarkers, the Dynamic Risk Score, or DRS-4C, accurately predicts both T1D risk and patient response to treatment. Validated across over 6,000 samples worldwide, this breakthrough enables earlier, more personalized interventions. The artificial pancreas just got smarter. Using digital twin simulations, researchers at the University of Virginia improved glucose time in range from 72 to 77%. Patients can now safely test insulin adjustments in a virtual model before applying them in real life, enhancing both safety and self-management in diabetes care. A new collaboration between Tandem Diabetes and Abbott aims to integrate Tandem's insulin pumps with Abbott's upcoming dual glucose ketone sensor. This innovation could help detect diabetic ketoacidosis earlier and guide smarter insulin dosing. It also marks a major step forward in building a seamless digital ecosystem for diabetes management. But it's not all good news. Titanium dioxide, a common additive in foods like M&Ms and Chips Ahoy, is raising red flags. An animal study links these nanoparticles to disrupted gut hormone production and elevated glucose levels. Despite an EU ban, the compound remains in widespread use across the US, prompting fresh concerns about its metabolic effects. On a more encouraging note, the DASH4D dietary program is showing promise for type 2 diabetes. A modified DASH diet lowered systolic blood pressure by 5 millimeters of mercury, even among patients already on antihypertensive medications. This reduction could cut the risk of stroke and cardiovascular events by up to 14%. Testosterone therapy has been deemed cardiovascularly safe in long-term use. A new study found no rise in adverse heart events and reported improvements in cholesterol levels among testosterone-deficient men. These findings provide greater confidence for patients and providers considering hormone therapy. A closer look at occupational health reveals a hidden trend among IT professionals. A curious study found subclinical hypothyroidism in nearly 12% of tech workers who spend 9 or more hours daily in front of screens. Elevated anti-TPO antibodies suggest a potential link between prolonged digital exposure and autoimmune thyroid dysfunction. In public health, Canada is looking to England's NHS for inspiration. A diabetes prevention program in the UK not only reduced new diabetes cases, but also lowered national healthcare costs. Quebec is piloting a similar initiative, with plans to scale it nationwide as part of a broader disease prevention strategy. Pediatric endocrinology has new findings as well. Children with autoimmune thyroid disease or celiac disease have double the risk of developing type 1 diabetes. These results underscore the importance of early screening for autoimmune comorbidities in high-risk populations, enabling proactive intervention. Finally, promising research on dagliflozin highlights its protective effect against diabetic kidney damage. The medication inhibits the caspase-3 GSDME pathway, reducing renal cell death caused by pyroptosis. It also lowers inflammation and improves cellular health under high glucose conditions, reinforcing the therapeutic value of SGLT2 inhibitors. Stay ahead in endocrinology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consultation.